Lad, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
I want doggy ice cream. Oh wow, it's doggy ice cream. Look at the state of my bloody trousers.
Look at this soft, soft tum-tum. So puffy. Or fluffy. It's a little puffy too. Cookies!
Did you like it, Stitch? Did you like it?
Yeah!
Yummy. Here's Carter. Enjoying the beautiful day. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my goodness.
Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. It is somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early today. Very first Puppuccino for his 3rd birthday.
I know, you guys just want me to pick you up.
Oh my gosh, so not having it.
Whee!
Hi, puppy. What do you think of the outdoors? Do you like it?
How am I supposed to write?
Jasper, what are you doing? Go, 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 go.
Would you like a carrot?
Where's the beef?
Come on, Dexter. Come, this way. No? We're going this way. No, this way. Come on, come on, come on! Good boy! Good balance, Tell.
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Come on. You're a lazy boy. You're lazy. Come on.
Uh-oh,
What?
people.
Oh no, people.
This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
If you're lucky, a dog will come into your life, steal your heart, and change everything.
Come on.
Come here.
Good girl. What a good girl.
Good job.
Friends? No. Okay, bye.
Heckin' concern. Look at that face. Come on. Come on.
How are you even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. You're freaking perfect.
What do you mean, do something cute? When am I not cute? Look at me. Are you for real right now?
Hey Chris, were you taking a nap? Hi. Do you love the couch?
Come on, Maverick. Come on. Come on.
Good boy, eating it like a proper dog. Eating like it should be.
Who's fully vaccinated? Yay!
I missed you.
That's because your first puppuccino. Let's tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Whoa. Is it good?
Here we go. Here is the captain, co-captain. He's on, oh, now it's the New Canada Dogs lounge team.
So that's Axel, Romeo. Come on.
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he's...
Are you relaxed?
queen, y'all. Go get yourself a pup cup.
The magic window, huh?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Stitch, come.
Come on, Ollie. Come.
He does love it.
I think we have a winner. Oh boy. You like it?
It is somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early, okay? Very first puppuccino.
Just so you know, Mom, I am about to do something. It's very, very big, very important. When you hear about it, you're going to be very proud.
Good luck.
Yum, 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 yum.
You're okay. We're almost done. You're okay.
Oh, someone's excited. Oh, good boy.
Oh, he breathes.
Okay, have her some.
Yep, good. Oh. Yeah! Good girl.
Good my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog.
In a minute, I'm gonna need a half an hour to lay here and take a
Go, Ruby.
Are you just going like?
Jake is snoring. Look at him. He partied too hard yesterday.
This little snagger. Okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Teddy?
Just without leaving him out. Over here, over here, over here.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby.
What do you mean, do something cute? When am I not cute? Look at me. Are you for real right now?
Play. Come on, guys. Look at the two. He wants to play. Oh.
Now we got it.
The puppy's eyes are opening. Some of them are just cracked a little bit. So take a peek.
Good morning. You're so pretty. Good.
The puppy's eyes are opening. Some of them are just cracked a little bit. So take a peek.
Shut them up. Shut them up. Shut them up. Ты что исправил? Ты что исправил?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Go, 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 go.
Whoa!
Here we go.
enjoying yourself?
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up. Yeah.
Such a good boy. Love shower.
Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl. Clever girl.
Are you done? You're gonna ignore me? Okay. That's what we're doing now? Okay. Fine. Now your ass is really not going outside. Really?
돼요. 같이.待て待て待て待て。待てだよ。待てだよ。待て。待て。
Oh, good boy, Gums. Good boy.
The puppy's eyes are opening. Some of them are just cracked a little bit. Let's see if we'll take a peek.
Vad det gott.
Så gott.
Hi, Kobe.
Yes. Good girl. You love it?
Moro.
Lexi, what you got there? A puppuccino?
You are such a big boy now. Oh my god, look at you. Balenciaga. Wow. Wow. You look so good.
Come
on. Do you want to try it? Come on, try it. Come on. You don't want it? Hey.
We just figured out our dog loves watermelon. And we've never seen her eat anything but meat and cheese.
Bon, le chien qui nage par-dessus l'eau.
Je suis prête là. Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Boy.
My mama's so tired. Okay, thank you for waiting for mama.
Good morning.
Poopy, smile. Good boy.
Ride the waves, Owen. Good job. Ride him.
Doggy's first ice cream.
That's a big ice
I
cream.
know, they gave her a lot.
Oh my god. Was that free or? Yeah. Really?
In a minute, I'm gonna need a half an hour to sit here and take a nap.
Pecking concern. Look at that face. Okay, no sir.
Ready?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Mom, are you sure this water's sanitary?
The puppy's eyes are opening. Some of them are just cracked a little bit.
Hi. Hey, what are you doing? Oakley.
Sky, don't do that. It's gonna fall on your head. Alex, she's gonna get it.
Go with the pup cup. Here, Bubba. You like it.
You got it though.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Look how tall.
Oh my god! Oh Shaggy!
That is a cute.
Oh, the cutest baby ever!
Hi, you want to come for a walk with us? Hey, Mom, something close to me. We're gonna make it to shore.
He almost.
it.
Are you gonna get up?
Oh, no, thank you. I'm snoozing.
But it's 10 o'clock.
I actually don't care what time it is. I've been